Dr.セルバンテス医師の自己紹介。
My name is Dr. Pedro Cervantes, and I received my medical degree from the University Autónoma de Guadalajara in 1987, and completed residency in Tijuana's prestigious Hospital del Prado. I then practiced sports medicine and football in a team called Atlas in Guadalajara from 1990 to 1992. All these are very important experience in making me who I am now. From 1992 to 2002, I was part of my father's surgical cardiovascular team in laparoscopic procedures. I learned tremendous things with my father as being a great surgeon, and also learned all about the Western medicine. Great experience. During that time, I also served for 2 years as a general practitioner in a famous movie that you all know called The Titanic. This was filmed here in Tijuana by the beach in Rosarito. In the year 2000, I began medical training for the GERSON therapy, my passion, under Charlotte GERSON, Dr. Alicia Melendez, and Dr. Luz Bravo. Upon completing of this training, I joined the Health Institute of Tijuana. I'm very happy. As a general practitioner at the Health Institute of Tijuana, is one of the 2 GERSON clinics in the world licensed by the GERSON Institute. In 2021, we at the clinic are celebrating our 20th anniversary. I am so happy to be part of this and to continue the relationship with the GERSON Institute, working together to impact the health, to help the world, and help all the patients all over the world, not only for cancer, but for chronic diseases, metabolic diseases, autoimmune diseases, or degenerative chronic diseases. At present, I am the lead treating physician at the Health Institute of Tijuana, where my years of experience have given me the opportunity to work with people from all walks of life, different cultures, different languages, different history, and different diagnoses. Like I said before, this therapy, this nutritional protocol is for all humans that want to make a change in their life, improve their health, their well-being, and to continue to have a prosperous and happy life with their families. It's a beautiful experience to see the changes in patients. Every time I come to work and see a new patient, for me, it's like a new adventure. It is very beautiful to see all the changes, the dramatic, human, philosophical, and mental and psychological changes all patients go through. I know it's hard at the beginning, but once you get the rhythm, the cycle, and understand why you're doing this important nutritional program, that is not only for cancer patients, it's for people from all walks of life, from different cultures, different diseases, like chronic diseases, degenerative diseases, autoimmune diseases, and inflammatory metabolic diseases like diabetes and hypertension. Of course, there's also another autoimmune disease that which sometimes are not mentioned, like Hashimoto disease, or eczema, or multiple myeloma, that we also try to treat all the patients. This therapy has opened the gates to my mission. I am happy at this challenge. I'm happy to talk about my passion, the nutritional GERSON protocol. And I embrace and invite everybody in Japan to come one of these days to the clinic to visit us and experience the experience of doing the GERSON nutritional protocol and program. It will be a benefit. It will be one of the best things you can do for life. Wearing a face mask right now is important, and washing your hands and very diligent, but it's also very important your nutrition. I think in this year that has passed during the pandemic, many of us, or many patients or people of this world, have lost sight on their nutrition. And it's very important to go back to basics, to consuming vegetables and fruits, oatmeal, drinking carrot juices and green juices and orange juices. And of course, it's very important to our sleeping patterns and conserving our mental health. This is one of the most biggest challenges of mankind. It happens every 100 years we have this challenge. But again, it's knocking on our door, and we have to do our best for our health, for our family, for our life, for our countries. The world is one. We have to stand tall and be proud of what we are. We have to fight together. And we have to do this with nutrition, with consultations, with follow-ups. And read the Gerson book, please. I invite everybody to read the Gerson book, watch some of his movies, and make some changes in your life. For example, we will do much better if we reduce our salt intake, our sugar intake, our dairy intake, our bread intake. Those 4 simple things I call the 4 big whites. If we could just change those, the rest will follow. So I invite everybody of the world, and thank you for this opportunity to come to Japan by this way, and visiting you and talking with you. Maybe one day, maybe next year, we never know, I could be there in person and talk to you more closely and more intimately about what we do here in Tijuana in the Health Institute. Thank you, and sayonara.